Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, Africa. Now I know what you might be thinking, Africa? Investment? Isn't that where all the, and then you trail off because you don't want to sound racist? But hold on, the truth is, Africa's changing faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. We're not just talking about the usual potential talk, people. We're talking real opportunities, real growth, the kind that makes investors drool like they just discovered a hidden stash of, well, you get the picture. So buckle up, because we're about to take you on a wild safari through the reasons why Africa is becoming the hottest investment destination on the planet. You don't want to miss this. Forget what you heard about lions, tigers, and bears. Oh my. The real beasts of Africa are the economies roaring to life. We're talking serious GDP growth, folks, the kind that makes Wall Street look like a sleepy village market. And urbanization? Forget about it. Cities are popping up faster than you can say Wakanda forever. More people, more infrastructure, more consumers with money to burn. It's enough to make your head spin. In a good way, of course. Let's talk about demographics, baby. While the rest of the world is worrying about aging populations, Africa's got the fountain of youth on tap. The median age here? 19. That's right, 19. This ain't your grandpa's Africa, people. This is a generation of digital natives, entrepreneurs and go-getters hungry for education, technology, and yes, even avocado toast. They're the future of the workforce, and they're just getting started. Move over, Kardashians. There's a new spending force in town. The African middle class is growing faster than a vine in the rainforest, and they're ready to shop till they drop. We're talking about a massive demand for everything from cars and clothes to smartphones and financial services. This isn't just a trend, people. It's a seismic shift in the global economy. And if you're not paying attention, you're missing out. Chapter 4, Resource-Rich Africa's Treasure Chest. Let's be honest, the world has always had its eyes on Africa's resources, but now it's Africa's turn to call the shots. We're talking oil, gas, minerals, you name it. Africa's got it in abundance. But here's the kicker. African nations are waking up to their own power. They're no longer content to be just exporters of raw materials. They're adding value, building industries, and becoming major players on the global stage. Chapter 5. Building the Future. Africa's Infrastructure Overhaul. Listen, you can't have a booming economy without the roads, bridges, and power grids to support it. That's why African governments are investing heavily in infrastructure, and the results are already showing. From brand new airports to high-speed rail lines, Africa is connecting like never before. And with improved logistics and lower transportation costs, businesses are lining up to get in on the action. Chapter 6. Tech-savvy Africa's digital revolution. Forget Silicon Valley, the real tech innovation is happening in Africa. From mobile banking to e-commerce, Africans are embracing technology at a pace that would make even the most hardcore techie blush. Mobile phone penetration is through the roof, and with it, a whole new world of opportunities is opening up. We're talking fintech, mobile money, digital payments, the works. Africa is leapfrogging ahead, and the future is looking bright. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Trevor, but where do I even start? Well, my friend, that's the beauty of it. Africa has something for everyone. Agriculture, manufacturing, real estate, tourism, renewable energy, you name it, the opportunities are as vast as the continent itself. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, there's a place for you in Africa's economic miracle. Chapter 8. Open for Business Africa's pro-investment reforms. Gone are the days of red tape and bureaucracy. African governments are rolling out the red carpet for foreign investors with open arms and even more open policies. Tax incentives, streamlined regulations, and a commitment to transparency are making it easier than ever to do business in Africa. And with the African Continental Free Trade Area, or AFCFTA, breaking down barriers between countries, the possibilities are limitless. Chapter 9. Untapped potential. Be a pioneer in Africa. Look, I'm not going to lie. Investing in Africa isn't for the faint of heart. It takes vision, it takes guts, it takes a willingness to embrace the unknown. But for those brave enough to take the leap, the rewards can be substantial. We're talking about untapped markets, underserved populations, and a chance to make a real difference while making a tidy profit. It's the ultimate win-win, people. Chapter 10, Africa on the Map, a strategic global player. Let's face it, Africa's location is everything. Nestled between Europe, Asia, and the Americas, it's the ultimate global crossroads. And with access to vital shipping routes and a front-row seat to some of the world's fastest-growing markets, Africa is poised to become a major player in global trade. So if you're looking for a strategic investment that's only going to get hotter, look no further than Africa. The future is here and it's looking very, very bright. Outro, don't just watch, invest. So there you have it, folks, the undeniable truth about why Africa is the next big investment hub. From its booming economies and young population to its vast resources and tech-savvy spirit, Africa is brimming with opportunities. Now, I know what you're thinking, Trevor, you've convinced me. But how do I get in on this action? Well, that's a story for another video, my friend. But in the meantime, do your research, connect with the right people, and most importantly, don't be afraid to dream big, because in Africa, anything is possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on global investment opportunities. See you next time.